Right, today I want to give you the top 3 services in MTN that can give you a loan to start up your business, or you can just use it to develop business that you have. Without any collateral, you can get this loan. And also I'm going to give you a way you can develop that loan services from maybe $10 up to even $1,000 loan limit that MTN can give you without any collateral. Now, without further ado, what you must be having is a SIM card, that is MTN SIM card, then also registered with MTN mobile money. Now, if you now have this, let's get started to our method. Now you go to your phone, then you dial *165*5#, then now you click on go. Now when it is going, you're going to select the best ones that I'm going to select with you. Now if they have already given you services and loans, here the number 1 is MoCash, then number 2 phone loans, number 3 is Momo Advance, as you can follow them up to number 9. But of course I'm going to give you the top 3 ones, the best ones that I'm using to get loans. Now the first one that I'm going to share with you is MoSente. Now when you have MTN and you also use your mobile money, just deposit, withdraw, just the way you use it normally. You don't have to deposit or save in the MoSente so that they give you a loan. No, all you have to do is just to use your card as usual. Deposit money, withdraw money, send money, buy airtime, as you already use it normally. Now before we go deep, if you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscription button, click on the like button and leave a comment first. Then let's watch up to the end. Now after, you come back and leave your comment. I know you're going to leave a very good comment if you have never been using this. Even if you've been using this, please leave a comment and also like this video so that YouTube will push it to more people. Let's all start businesses, because you know, a person who does business earns daily, and a person who is employed earns monthly. So a business person is better than a salary earner. Now let's go back to our video. Now if you have already dialed *165*5# and already they have given you the services, we shall go to MTN MoSente. It is MoSente, that is in number 5. Now you select number 5. And if you have not yet accepted the terms and condition, because that is the only thing you must accept, you accept the terms and condition. Now by accepting the terms and condition, it means that you're now ready to get loans and pay them with MoSente. Now if you already activated it, the first option will be get loan, repay loan, check loan balance, then about MoSente, then view terms and conditions, which is very important for you to view and understand the terms and conditions before you get a loan, and also when you're using this service. Now if you already accepted, we go and check on get a loan. Get a loan, it works only if you accepted the terms and condition some time back. Then now you're going to be allowed, because after you accepting the terms and condition, they give you some grace period. For example, 3 months, 9 months, and if your card is seriously active, then you will not reach even a month when they have given you a loan limit. With here, you don't have to check even the loan limit, that what is my loan limit. Just click on get loans. Now when you click on get loans, that's when they're asking you to enter your password, your mobile money pin. Enter your mobile money pin, and there they are going to display if you already qualify for a loan or you don't qualify for a loan. Now if you qualify for a loan, this is what you're supposed to do. Borrow a loan in a specific period. For example, they give in 7 days, 14 days, 3 months and 9 months. Now this is what I want you to do so that you accumulate your loan limit higher, and it keeps growing. If you borrow, for example, you borrow 30,000, that is $10. If you borrow $10, pay it before that time. Now if you already borrowed it for business, do quickly sell that, and after selling, go and pay that loan. Now after you paying the loan, you're going to see that they are going to add for you another loan limit. So they are going to increase your loan limit. Now when they increase, borrow it, run again, make a business again, do quick sales. Now after you selling, again go back and pay that loan. Now whenever you keep paying, they keep increasing your loan. Now this is what may happen in case you delay to pay your loan. Now when you delay to pay your loan, they are going to give you interest. So you're going to pay them some interest, for example of 8% or 7% in a month. Now if you take time, like for example you take more than a month or 3 months without paying, now the next time you pay, they are going to remove your loan limit. If they don't remove, then they are going to reduce it first to allow you a second chance. Now when you again borrow, then you pay it quickly with before or during or on the due date, then they are going to give you a loan limit up again, or they maintain it just to see if you're really doing the right thing. Then if you fail to pay that one, they are going to remove it. Then again they give you some period to understand if you're really true. So guys, that is the first one. If you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscription button, click on the like, and also you can now comment, because we have gone to some step. Now we are going to our number 2 best service that I am using to get a loan. Now the second one that I'm going to give you is MoPesa. MoPesa is also the same as MoSente, but of course they are different. You can get a loan from all those two that I've so far talked about. You can get a loan at the same day, at the same time, as long as you accepted the terms and conditions at the same time, and also they have given you a loan limit according to how you use your card. Now that one, you're going to select option 4 if you're in Uganda. So you select option 4, and also if you have not yet accepted the terms and conditions, please accept the terms and conditions in all these loans services that I'm going to talk about, and also the ones that I'm not going to talk about. Now after you accepting the terms and conditions, the first option is loans, second one is savings, the third one is product information, then the fourth one is terms and conditions. Now with this one also, it doesn't mind that you save. If you save, you're going to earn 5% interest if you save in MoPesa. But that one I'm going to talk about later on after this video. Today we are talking about how you can get a loan from MTN services. So we shall go to with option 1. We click on option 1 to loans. Now when you click on loans, you're going to see that again you have some options. That are 5 options, which is option 1, get a loan, option 2, pay loan, option 3, check loan, check limit, that is loan limit, then option 4 is check balance, then option 5 is mini statement. Mini statement is how much you've withdrawn, how much you've paid back, what is the balance. That is just the mini statement. Now for us, we want to get a loan, we just click on option 1 to get a loan. Now for me, you can see that for me, I have a loan limit of 200,000. So just keep using your MTN mobile money to deposit, withdraw, send. Don't mind about even saving. Is in these last 2 that I have so far talked about. That is MoPesa and MoSente. Now we are in MoPesa, which is option 4. From your card if you're in Uganda, but of course MTN is everywhere you go. That means in every country MTN is available, but of course all the services, I'm sure they are there. Now after us going to loans, that is option 1, we shall go to option 1 again, get a loan. That is when you want to get a loan. And for me, I have, as you're seeing, I have 5,000, a minimum of 5,000 that I can borrow up to 200,000 Uganda shillings. That is roughly 50 to something dollars. Yes. Now after you getting these loans, these are the key parts that I always talk about in all these loan services. The first one, for you to accumulate your loan, to increase on your loan limit. If you borrow, please pay before the due date or pay on the due date. Secondly, keep using your mobile money, withdrawing, sending, deposit, just like that, to increase on your loan limit. Now my loan limit here is 200 because I have never even deposited in it, but because I use my card to make a withdraw, sending, deposit, I receive money using this very card. That's why I have a loan limit of 200,000 Uganda shillings. So that is how I am getting my loans from here, and I use it for my businesses. Then now for you to maintain and also to not be affected keep paying your loans. Now when you keep paying, it means they are going to increase your loan, but whenever you fail paying, they may maintain it there or they reduce. Then also they give you a chance. When you again fail the chance, then they are going to remove it for some period of time. Then you will be affected. Now keep paying this. Do it as I said in the first time, that when you get a loan, buy something that you know that you can sell faster. Now after you selling, keep your profit, pay back the loan. After paying the loan, your money will be increased. Now get back another loan, and just like that, you will find that you're going to grow from nowhere just with MTN loan services. Now let's dive into the third one, and it is the last for this video. Still the same way, *165 *5 hash. Then we shall talk about MoCash. But with me, my card here in MoCash, I joined MoCash earlier, but up to today I have not received my loan limit. In MoCash, they want you to save and also keep using MoCash, but for me, I've been saving, I've been doing what, but my loan limit is still small. So that is option one for you who has already activated, because MoCash was the first loan service to be provided in MTN. I know most people have activated it, and also if you are not yet activated, please activate so that we start getting loans and develop our businesses or create businesses. Now in also MoCash, option 1 is savings, option 2 is loan, option 3 is my account, then option 4 is terms and conditions. So you have to always check on the terms and conditions so that you understand them before you get a loan and before you start using the service. Now if you go to option 2, which is loans, now in option 2 also there are also some options. That is option 1, which is request for a loan, option 2 pay loan, option 3 check loan, option 4 check loan balance. Loan balance means what you've borrowed but now the balance that you've not yet paid. Now we want to get a loan, we shall first check on our loans before we get a loan. By clicking option 3, then we check our loan limit. Here my loan limit, as you're seeing, it is 0 UGX. That is my loan limit. That's why I've made this one to be my third loan service in MTN that I am talking about. But the past two that I've shown you, I have paid, I have already been getting, and also I got affected with it, and that is why I don't want you to be affected with this first loan service, that is MoPesa. Now for you to get a loan, if you already have a loan, you just select request for a loan, which is option 1. Now when you enter there, and of course you must have checked your loan limit first. If you already have, for example, you have 1 million, just enter 1 million. Then after entering 1 million, you enter your PIN, then your money will be sent to your mobile money. Now there you can withdraw and you get your loan. Also do the same, pay them as early as possible or pay on the due date so that they keep increasing your loan and your account will not be affected. Right guys, those are the 3 loan services on MTN that I wanted to share with you so that you start your business. Guys, in this channel I'll be talking about how you can grow financially by doing business or doing other things, and mostly business. You know, with business you can grow as fast as possible. Guys, let's meet in the next coming video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like this video so that YouTube will recommend it to many people, and also leave a comment. Let me know and understand what you think about my plan in this YouTube channel. Let's meet in the next coming video.